Hi everyone, it's Carol here, and I've just completed setting up for our Reiki Level 1 workshop tomorrow. So we're at the Red Earth place, the Red Earth Natural Healing Centre. There's chairs, there's coffees, teas, biscuits, and over here we have our little area where we're all going to gather with all sorts of information down on the floor as well, because I want to make the most of every opportunity. Then over here we've got our beautiful table full of wonderful things. The photo of Macrae, the crystal grid that we have for protection. We've got our Reiki tables up here as well. So we have 6 people coming on Saturday, and on Tuesday we've got 7 people coming to do level 2. So it's going to be a very exciting weekend, and for all those that are coming along, it's just going to be a life-changing moment. It is always for everybody that comes, because you'll have that universal life force energy flowing through you, but you'll also have empowerment through all the work that we do. It's not just about Reiki, it's a retreat. It's about recharging your spirit, your soul, and bringing you back to a place of self-love, compassion, kindness for yourself and others. Remembering the Reiki precepts. Just for today, I let go of anger. Just for today, I let go of worry. Just for today, I count my many blessings. Just for today, I do my work honestly, and just for today, I will be kind to my neighbour and every living thing. And please remember, every living thing includes you. And that's what you're here for tomorrow, to empower yourself so that you can make a difference in the world, so that you can get out there. Start with yourself, because Reiki Level 1 is all about self. It's about healing our own issues. It's about coming back into our heart space, our soul, and working on ourselves to fill up our own cup first, and then to overflow that to our friends and our families. And Reiki Level 2 is another level of empowerment. It also gives you tools to do mental, emotional healing, distance healing, and to be able to maybe start your own practice if you want to, so that you can be doing Reiki on other people as well. So have a great day, guys, and great sleep tonight. And for those coming along, I can't wait to see you. I just am so passionate about this work, because it changed my life, and I know it will change yours too. So namaste, my dear friends, and enjoy. And I will see some of you here tomorrow. Bye.